Let's create a watch list on TradingView like a global macro trader. So you go to watch list and you create a new watch list out of nothing. Let's call it global macro. Creates a blank new watch list. You type, let's start with NASDAQ, and you go Option W to add it. You go to the next S&P 500. Again, Option W on Mac adds it on the watch list. Let's add a few indices here. Choose what you like. Russell 2000. And you quick add. Now we have a few stock indices. Let's create a section to divide our watch list into different parts. Let's rename the section stock indices. Let's add some more indices, Hang Seng. Right click again, add section, drag it down. This one is going to be Forex. Just type USD, go to Forex here. You'll see all the pairs related to USD. Let's start with dollar yen, euro dollar. You're still doing option W here, by the way, adding them on the right. Aussie dollar, and whatever interests you, whatever you trade. You don't need to be trading these, but it's good to follow them and see what's happening when events and news happen. So now we have stock indices, Forex. Let's add another section. Time to add some commodities. Let's start with oil, West Texas Intermediate. Let's add gold, and then silver. Copper is hot these days. We're still adding sections here by right-clicking add section, renaming them to what we want to categorize. Let's add some individual stocks. Adding some famous ones, of course, big tech, but you can add what is good for your watch list. You can create more watch lists. We forgot natural gas. Henry Hub natural gas futures is good enough. Finally, let's add some crypto, a good sentiment indicator for risk on, risk off. They trade 24/7 anyway, so we don't need to add futures. Coinbase is good. And now we have Bitcoin and Ethereum on the watch list. By clicking on them or using the cursor up or down, we can quickly shift through all these assets on the watch list. I'm using the cursor now down. And you see how the chart changes easily. We can collapse and expand the sections when we want to focus on a specific section or sections. And we can share the watch list. Copy link. Let me paste it here so you can see. I have to change the text to red actually. And here it is. TradingView.com/watchlist/ a number. If you share that, anybody can follow your watch list, the assets you have, by using that link. This is another watch list, what I use. There's an advanced view that you can check each one of your watch lists, expand everything, follow financials, performance of the assets, technicals, more TradingView things. You can check upcoming earnings, when they pay dividends, news related to that watch list. You can follow a lot of things. So creating a watch list isn't just for technicals. It's also a news and event-based thing. Now let's favorite a few watch lists and see what happens. You put the star on 3 watch lists, you see immediately they go here for quick access. If you just click on that, those are your favorite watch lists. Bam, just opens automatically. You can change the favorites, and you see you only have 2. That's it.